How to log in into JetBlue Credit Card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your JetBlue's credit card account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. Simply search for JetBlue Credit Card login. After you search for that, we'll head over to this JetBlue's website. You can head over to this JetBlue Credit Card or you can directly head over to this sign in option as well. After you do that, let's head over to this credit card website where you will need to head over to this sign in option on the top right. Then tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, it will take you to this very page. The page is same. So right here, you will need to enter your email address and then your password. After you do that, tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your account. As you can see, this site is same as well. And after you do that, you'll get logged in into your account. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.